Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing great. Today we're talking about the Filipino Christmas traditions that I grew up with and love the most. Hi lovelies! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Trisha. I make cleaning, organizing, and lifestyle videos. If you're into these kinds of stuff, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click the red button down below. You can also follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook accounts. Their links are in the description box below. Before we begin divulging our topic for today, I wanted to check in with you guys about the previous videos that I posted for December 2020 so far. I wanted to know how are you liking these Christmas topics that I've been making so far. Did you like more videos like this, or did you like more in-action videos like vlog type videos? Let me know in the comment section down below. Anyway, as I've said, today we're talking about the Filipino Christmas traditions that I grew up with. They say that the Philippines has one of the most prolonged Christmas celebrations around the world. So, can we say that Filipinos love Christmas? It's probably because it's a predominantly Catholic country and most of its population are Christians. So that's probably why Christmas hits different in the Philippines. Once the Burr month started, shopping malls and almost every radio stations will begin playing Christmas songs. I don't know why and when we started this tradition of beginning Christmas in September, but I think it's because once the cold weather starts to set in the country, you'll feel like you're feeling close to Christmas winter that most northern countries are experiencing during Christmas. Although some commercial establishments would take advantage of the early Christmas season in the Philippines, most Filipino houses don't decorate their homes at least until after All Souls Day in November. So by December, almost every home in the Philippines has at least one parol or lantern hanging on their door or window. The origin of parol or lantern dates back during the Spanish era in the Philippines. People back then made these paroles or lanterns to guide the mass goers at night. Now, it symbolizes light and hope, especially during Christmas season. Simbang Gabi means night mass, but it also happens in the wee hours of the morning. It is another tradition which started during the Spanish era in the Philippines. During those days, churches would ring their bell as early as 3 a.m. to wake up their people and be ready for the 4 a.m. Mass. 4 a.m. It starts from the 16th of December until Christmas Eve. Growing up, we believed that if you were able to attend all the 9 Simbang Gabi or night masses, you could make a wish at the end of the 9th mass and your wish will come true. I've never completed attending all of it because it is difficult to wake up at 3 a.m. every day. Did you know that if you're a night owl like me, you could attend mass at 10 or 11 p.m. at night, so you don't have to wake up at 3 a.m. Let me know if you're one of the lucky ones to complete the entire 9 days. I would love to know who you are and how you were able to do it. Once you've completed the Simbang Gabi or night mass, you'll immediately see the small food carts stationed right outside the church. These food carts offer many Filipino Christmas foods like puto bumbong, bibingka, and rice puto, and even hot cocoa. These are kakanin, which are part of the Filipino Christmas tradition. Did you know that I've only tried eating bibingka once in my entire life? And I may get hate in saying this, but I'm not a fan of it. I'd rather eat rice puto or puto bombong, but most Filipinos love eating bibingka and it's one of the most famous Christmas food in the Philippines. I am one of those kids who would gather with friends at night and go from house to house and sing Christmas carols in exchange for coins. Yup, it is one of the things that got us excited every year for Christmas. We'd be already happy to receive 5 pesos from one house, and we'd also be bummed if one place would shout patawad to us. Patawad means sorry, which means that they don't want us to sing Christmas carols on their home and give us money. We'd usually start going from house to house on the 16th of December, the day the Simbang Gabi begins. By this time, Christmas is already felt a lot in every home in Philippines. These are Spanish terms which means pal or mate, with manito referring to a male and manita referring to a female. Basically, it is a Filipino version of Secret Santa. Everyone who'd like to join would write their names on a piece of paper and then draw one paper containing the name of the person they're giving gifts for Christmas. Instead of writing the name of the person they're giving it to or who the gift is from, they would instead write to my manito or manita from your manito or manita. It is done to make the gift exchange anonymous. The next one is the Misa de Gallo. It is a Spanish term for Rooster'S Mass, which is celebrated around midnight on Christmas Eve. Filipino families would attend the Misa de Gallo together, which takes place around 10 p.m. on Christmas Eve before heading home to eat their Noche Buena. Again, a Spanish term which means good night on some websites and Christmas Eve on other websites. Whatever it is, for us Filipinos, this is our term for our Christmas feast on Christmas Eve. We celebrate Christmas on Christmas Eve, which is the night before Christmas, to welcome the Christmas day together with our family. We celebrate all night by singing songs on the karaoke, drinking lots of liquor, and eating lots of food. By the next day, as children, it's a day where we get to open our gifts from Santa. As adults, it's where we get to watch our little ones unwrap their gifts from Santa. It is also when the children get to visit their ninongs and ninangs and receive their aguinaldos from them. An aguinaldo means bonus, or often referred to as a gift given during Christmas. It mostly relates to money given to godchildren. Nowadays, Filipinos are divided about the concept of asking for gifts from their godparents. It is a Filipino tradition that most people find problematic because some parents would make their children's ninong or ninang feel bad whenever they can't give their children gifts. Parents should not require their children's godparents to give their children gifts every Christmas because I know that they would be more willing to give whenever they have something to offer. As you can see, almost everything in our Christmas tradition in the Philippines were derived from the Spanish influence in the country. These traditions shaped the Christmas that the Filipinos loved so much. It is also why Filipinos who are living abroad would still go back to the Philippines every December, because there's nothing like Christmas in the Philippines. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please watch my previous video talking about the Christmas budgeting tips to help you not spend too much during the Christmas season. In my next video, I'm going to talk about the different minimalist ways to wrap your Christmas gifts, so please consider subscribing to my channel and turn the notification bell icon on to keep you notified every time I post a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up and let me know what you think about this video in the comment section down below. Again, thank you so much guys for watching and see you on the next one. Happy Christmas!